Welcome to the Amazon Marketplace. A world of endless possibilities awaits you here. Have you ever thought about selling things online? Imagine turning your passion into a thriving business. It's easier than you think. With Amazon's user-friendly platform, you can set up your store in no time. Amazon is a great place to start. From storage to shipping, Amazon handles the logistics so you can focus on your products. Millions of people shop on Amazon every day. This means your products can reach a vast audience. You can reach those shoppers and sell your products too. Positive reviews and ratings can boost your sales. It's like having a giant online store. Your virtual storefront is open 24/7, reaching customers worldwide. Whether you make handmade crafts or have extra electronics, Amazon welcomes you. There's a market for almost anything. Lots of people have started their own businesses this way. From small startups to established brands, everyone can thrive here. It can be a lot of fun, and you can make money too. The journey of entrepreneurship is exciting and rewarding. Let's get started. Amazon is the biggest name in online shopping. It's a giant in the e-commerce world, known for its vast selection of products, fast delivery, and customer-centric approach. Just how big is it? Let's dive into some numbers to get a clearer picture. We'll get this. Almost 40% of all online sales in the US happen on Amazon. That's nearly half of the entire online retail market. That's a lot of shopping. Imagine the sheer volume of packages being delivered every single day. And it's not just in America. Amazon sells to people all over the world. From Europe to Asia and everywhere in between, Amazon's reach is truly global. Millions of sellers have joined Amazon. These sellers range from large corporations to small businesses and individual entrepreneurs. Some are big companies, but many are just regular people like you and me. And guess what? They are finding success on this platform. Many of those sellers make over $10,000 each month. That's a significant income, especially for small business owners and individual sellers. That shows you the incredible potential of selling on Amazon. With the right strategy and dedication, anyone can tap into this vast marketplace and achieve remarkable success. Ready to jump in? The first step is to create an Amazon seller account. It's easy and only takes a few minutes. Next, you'll choose a selling plan. There are two main options, one for people who sell a lot and one for people just starting out. Once you're all set up, it's time to list your products. Amazon makes this simple. You'll just need to provide some basic information about what you're selling. Don't forget to add some great photos and a clear description. Section 4, Winning Strategies for Amazon Sellers. Now that your products are listed, let's make sure they get seen. Use clear, bright photos that show off your items. Write a description that tells people exactly what they're getting. And be sure to answer any questions buyers might have quickly. Another important tip is to keep track of your inventory. You don't want to run out of stock. Finally, always be kind and helpful to your customers. Good customer service is key to success on Amazon. Section 5, The future is bright on Amazon. With its ever-evolving technology and vast network, Amazon continues to pave the way for innovative e-commerce solutions. Selling on Amazon can be a rewarding experience. It offers a platform where your entrepreneurial dreams can take flight. You can reach millions of customers, build your own business, and create a brand that resonates globally, and be your own boss. Enjoy the flexibility of working from anywhere, whether it's your home office or a dedicated warehouse. Remember, success takes time and effort. Be patient, learn from your experiences, and continuously adapt to market trends. And don't be afraid to ask for help. Networking with other sellers can provide valuable insights and strategies. There are tons of resources available to help you succeed. From detailed guides to interactive workshops, Amazon supports your journey. Amazon has lots of helpful guides and videos. These resources are designed to help you navigate the complexities of online selling. And there are many online communities where you can connect with other sellers. Sharing experiences and advice can be incredibly beneficial. So what are you waiting for? The opportunity to grow and succeed is at your fingertips. Start your Amazon selling journey today. Embrace the future of e-commerce and watch your business thrive.